everyone. Thank you for joining me tonight. I'm Fritz on Fritz. I hope your day has been going splendidly so far. Currently, 29 degrees and clear here on the valley on Saturday night. Yeah. Do you know what time it is? Of course you do. That's why you're here. Tonight, I'm trying the mini baked cheddar cheese balls made with real cheese. If you've tried this, please let me know in the comments what your assessment of it is. This 1 ounce package has an expiration date of April 21st, 2025. I received this for free earlier today from one of my coworkers at work. Thank you, Kristen. Much appreciated. All right, yeah, snack time. I don't know which store this came from here in the valley or what the price point is for this in the valley. If you have this in your grocery store, let me know how much it costs there. I'm here in Washington. Woo! Snack time! Mm, yeah. Mm, nice cheddar aroma. Little balls in the bag. Vibrant orange, firm to the touch. Woo! Nice, satisfying initial crunch. Cheesy, well balanced between sweet and salty. Mm, still seems fresh. No weird chemical aftertaste. Not stale at all. Satisfying crunch, like I said. Mm. Oh yeah, cheesy, airy. Mm. Cheese balls, balls of cheese. Mm-mm-mm. Mm. The cornmeal is acting as a nice canvas that enhances the cheesiness. Mm. Puffy. Now I'm glad that I have a napkin here because there's a lot of cheesy residue on my fingers, and I don't want to get this all over my keyboard. Oh, ooh, salted. Mmm. This is great dessert territory. Or if you're adventurous, top it on something. I've never had this on a sundae. Actually, I've never had any chips on an ice cream sundae before. If you've done that, let me know how that turns out. mm. In terms of the texture profile, these remind me a mix between Cheetos brand and Planters brand. Ooh, I like these bite-sized balls. Mm. Ooh, delicious. Mm. Who knows? You could put this on a charcuterie board with some grapes, maybe some cubed up cheese and crackers. Have, a, have this in the, has a hors d'oeuvre. Yeah, mm, cheesy, crunchy, fresh, bite-sized balls. Yayo. On a scale of 1 to 10, I will give the mini baked cheddar cheese balls. Ladies and gentlemen, I will give this a solid 9.13. Why not? I'm just dashing out numbers tonight. Mm, yeah. mm. Oh, I love the flavor profile. Have this at a Christmas party. You could have it while watching a movie, or you can even take it to someone's birthday party. You do whatever. You don't need my my permission. Mm, crunchy. Until next time, bye everybody. Have a great rest of your day. Safe travels if you're heading anywhere. Uts, oots. Yeah, it's good. Mm.